Got an even specialer guest today. We've got Mr. Daniel, who has been here for like 2 years.
Good morning. Or good afternoon, depending on where
Last time we saw Daniel, he was very sad in, where was it? Upwards?
No, it was in Snow Centre at home. I done my leg in.
Yes, that was it, yeah. His leg, his back.
That was my back, yeah.
So
old man problems.
He's come the whole way to Canada to try again. He's had a couple of warm-up runs already today.
Yeah. No falls, no trips, no broken bones.
I reckon you're gonna like it.
So far, so good.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna Hulk smash this place. I think.
Are there any cat tracks? We'd have to go down.
There's like one if you want to get to Black Forest.
Yeah, okay.
But we'll deal with it. It's fine. It's wide.
I think I saw one from the lift. Actually.
It's wide and there's no cliff.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Well, there's a pool tournament tonight.
How is it?
7:30 in Sam's.
Is that the place literally next door to the lodge?
Yes. So there's 3 pool tables. I was there yesterday.
Yeah.
Me and Jay won another 10 games in a row.
Yeah. They kept there again.
Yeah, she wanted to go to bed. I was like, well, we go to bed when we lose. She goes, you keep me hostage. I went, yeah.
She's going to be happy.
So, she had an early start this morning, but that's fine. My voice is gone from shouting over music. There you go.
As you were right, I was awake at 4 in the morning.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's the 4 AM cast. You just wake up at 4 and you go, well, I'm awake now. What's going on?
I was tempted to go for a walk because it looked awesome, but I stayed in bed.
It's cool. But yeah, so we can find you a pool partner. It's completely free.
How is it?
Yeah, it's just you start at 7:30 and it's you keep playing as you keep winning, and whoever has the longest win streak wins. And if you lose, you just sign back up, you wait, and you go again.
So is it basically whoever's winner come close the doors is the winner?
Whoever's got the longest win streak gets $25.
Oh, okay.
And if you have the longest win streak of the season, at the end of the season, you get $100.
Oh, nice.
So I have won twice with a streak of 5 and 7.
Okay.
And the winners have 10 at the moment. So
hunting down in the last couple of weeks.
Okay, we'll see how your snowboarding is, and then see if you want help or if you just want to just
bit rusty, but
it's okay.
It's okay.
Let's chat with Mr. Daniel, who's going to be around. Good to go? We're going to go to the left. Woodcutter, yeah. Have you been down there? Okay. So about halfway down, there's a gap in the trees on the right hand side, and it basically goes down and back up, so you can just full send it straight, and then as you get up you slow down to nothing.
Oh, okay, so you have to send it.
Yeah, it'll be good for you.
Alright.
So you can see where these kids are. If you basically go down, once you get past that bump, you can't really turn your board, you just got to hit it straight.
Okay.
And it goes down, it feels a bit fast, but as soon as you get up to the top where that kid is, you start to slow down really aggressively. Okay, and then it spits you back onto hummingbirds. Okay?
Alright.
So whenever you're ready, you can wait for these guys to go. And then yeah, go. I'm going to let you go in case you get stuck. And then we can go somewhere else. I think he's going to make it, you know? He's alive. Jump. Well done.
Easy.
Yeah. I'm just watching you for fun. Just watching you for fun. All right.